Right now, we are in Patyaguda village and we are very much happy and thankful to our Seva Child donor for giving us this opportunity to come to like this village. This village people were very much need of clean water. Now, by the help of our Seva Child donor, we were able to build the precious tube well. We made the beautiful the platform. Also, we fixed the hand pump set, and you can see we made the plug. These village people, they were struggling a lot. They were drinking the water from a river. We are very, very much thankful to our Seva Child donor to serving such a needy people. Thank you very much for your love and concern. These village people are very, very much thankful in their heart. Behalf of them and from us, we just would like to give thanks to our donor and our Seva Child team. Thank you very much.